Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as 2-inch factory lift, off-road suspension with skid plates, as well as leather heated seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with tons of extra paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, right next to your Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the wood and chrome accent. Moving on to the seats, we're going to have these premium leather heated seats with the driver is power adjustable. Left side here, you're going to have your trailer mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting controls as well. Left side is steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control and as well as your heated steering wheel. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. The odometer cluster control pretty much access your vehicle information, including your oil life, tire pressure, air filter, brake pad, as well as music, navigation, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, and other settings as well. It'll be push to start, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment system. Like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and trailering. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance, and as well as climate and My Chevrolet. Down below, you're going to have your dual zone climate control with park assist, as well as your auto stop and hill descent control, with an integrated brake controller and 2 USB ports, as well as an AC wall charger. Extra storage, of course, cup holders, and center console storage with 2 extra USB and an SD card. Passenger side, manually adjustable, wood and chrome with the double glove box. Speakers up top. Here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your OnStar and your SOS and your rear sliding window. These blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Duratrac tires with your Z71 badging, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handle. Sun guards as well. Trail Boss badging with the corner step bumper and the dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. We're going to have 12 bed tie downs as well with 2 LED lamps as well, and an AC wall charger, built-in cup holders. It's a very spacious rear. Okay, moving on to the rear interior. Again, kind of the same style, lots of extra storage right next to the speakers. It'll come here to the wood and chrome with the power windows. Hop in the back seat, quite a bit of leg room. Storage behind the passenger driver's seat with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. As well as you'll have cup holder and armrest. Storage behind the seats. Storage under the seats as well. Lamp up top, handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as off-road suspension with 2-inch lift, skid plates, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, spray and bed liner, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.